Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations Star Wars inspired tie-dye series. This is part 2 of the 7-part series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create this look that we're calling Clash of the Force. Check out our previous released first episode and watch for upcoming episodes where we show you how to create other Star Wars inspired looks. To create this look, you'll need the following supplies. Make sure you check out funsockcity.com to find the comfiest white socks for this project. Let's get started. Before beginning to tie-dye, always get your socks nice and wet and then wring out all the excess water until just damp. For these half and half socks, you'll lay them flat with the heel on the bottom next to your surface. Then, beginning at the toe, do an accordion fold up the whole sock until the top of the sock. Then place a rubber band tightly around the center of the folded sock. Set that sock aside and then repeat the same process on the second sock. Prepare a surface that is okay getting dye on it, then dye half of each sock red and the other half blue. Place the socks into one baggie, keeping the red dye next to the red and the blue next to the blue so that the colors don't mix. Then let the socks sit for 24 hours. After that time, run the socks under water, then undo the rubber band and run them under the water some more until the water runs clear. At this point, throw the socks in the washer and dryer and then rock those socks.